Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have seen the concept of email. Email is a service on internet by which we can send and receive messages through internet. For sending and receiving messages or mails through email, we must have an email ID or account on internet. And our next topic is viewing received mails. Once we have create an email account, so we can send and receive messages. So let's see how to view received mails. Once you have created your web-based email account, you can log in it and view your mail. Following steps will guide you how to view the mails in your email account. Go to Gmail web page by typing the URL www.gmail.com to log into your email account. In this web page, type your newly created login and password in front of username and password fields and then click at sign in. And here you are successfully logged into your email account. You will see a list of messages along with details like from, subject, date, etc. To view a message, move your cursor on subject detail of message. Whenever your cursor changes to a hand symbol, click there to view it. If it is not showing you the list of mails, then click at inbox link in the window. All the message will get in inbox in this option. Replying or forwarding an email message. If somebody has sent you an email and if you want to respond that email or give answer of that email, so you can reply of that email message. And if you got any interesting message or email or any joke, and if you want to send that same message to anyone else, so you can forward that email message to anyone else also. While you are reading an email message you have received, you can reply to the sender of this message immediately by clicking at reply button. These two buttons are there, reply and forward. When you click at a reply button, it takes you to the compose window where automatically the address of the sender appears in front of two box. The sender becomes a recipient of a reply message. Now in this compose window you can write the reply mail message and send it. If you have received a joke or some interesting or useful piece of information, you may want to send the same message to someone else. This can be done by clicking at forward button. While reading the mail message, after clicking at forward button, you need to specify the email addresses of the recipients separated by commas to whom you intend to forward it. Next, structure of an email message. When we are going to send an email message, so there are many fields. So let's see different fields or structure of an email message. Let's now learn about the general structure of an email message. An email message can contain some or all of the following components. First, from. This is the address of the sender of the email. Apart from the email address, the from field may contain the name of the sender also. From field contains the address of the sender who is sending the message. 2. This is the email address or addresses to which the email is sent. Receiver's address will contain in 2 box. CC. CC stands for carbon copy. Here you can specify the email address or addresses of those to whom you want to send a copy of the mail. The CC recipient's name is visible to all recipients. If you want to send the email message more than one person, so we can specify in CC fields of those email addresses. BCC is the blind carbon copy. This is also a list of email addresses. These people will also receive a copy of the message, but a BCC recipient's name is not visible to the other recipient. The BCC recipients can see to the to and CC addresses. Subject. Subject is a short title for the mail. It ideally should speak about contents of the message. Body. It contains the actual message. Attachments. You can attach one or more pictures and documents or any other with your email. Some computers specify a maximum size for the mails they can handle, and so you can have to keep that in mind if you intend to send very big attachment. In the attachment field, we can send pictures on any document with the mail. Date. This is the date and time on which the message was sent from the sender's computer. So these are all the fields of an email message.